Hi guys, welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're going to talk about the latest Windows 11 25H2 update, which has been released 2 days ago, but unfortunately, we already have some issues with that update. And if you are on certain hardware, this new update can break your computer. So in this video, we're going to talk about everything that you need to know and what you need to keep an eye for if you have this latest update installed or if you want to install it. In this video, we are talking about the following update, the build 26200.8875 or build code KB5101650. So if you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. So following the release of this latest 25H2 update, the update seemed to be going pretty well, no major issues, no new known issues that were acknowledged by Microsoft even in their official blog post. Well, that has changed in the past few hours because Microsoft has added a new important announcement or message, which is stating update temporarily unavailable for some devices with Intel IPF drivers. And this is stating that this update is temporarily unavailable for a limited number of Dell devices that use the Intel Innovation Platform Framework or the IPF drivers. This is due to an incompatibility between the update and an Intel component. In some cases, affected devices might experience changes in performance, power consumption, or system behavior. Microsoft is preparing a fix and expects to make the update available again for affected devices within the next few days. And also in the official learn.microsoft.com website, Microsoft is providing this new issue. Basically, some Dell devices with specific Intel driver might experience poor performance. And they're stating the following after installing the June 23rd, 2026 Windows preview update. So basically you can see that this issue has been present since the previous update as well. And they are stating that a limited number of Dell devices might display a yellow exclamation point in device manager next to the Intel Innovation Platform Framework Processor Participant Driver. In some cases, affected devices might experience changes in performance, power consumption, or system behavior. I've seen users report even high temperatures related to the processor, so that is indeed not good. This issue was identified as an incompatibility between the Intel driver and the new Windows USB-C Connection Manager interface that was introduced in the June 23rd, 2026 update, and they're working with Dell to prevent the affected models from experiencing the issue. And basically, to mitigate this issue, Microsoft is announcing that the July 14th update, the Windows Security Update for both 25H2 and 24H2 will not be offered to affected devices while Microsoft works with partners to resolve this issue. Microsoft plans to release a resolution for affected devices in the next few days. And you can see here the affected platforms, as I've said, the client 25H2 and 24H2. So basically, this latest update has some issues related to that new platform for Intel in the Dell devices most likely, and that is causing a lot of problems such as poor system performance, high temperatures for both the processor or the GPU, and other system reliability issues altogether. So if you have a Dell device and you're not sure if you have the affected hardware, you should pause this update and you should not install it because you can have some issues. And also, as I've said and as Microsoft is stating in their official blog post, if you have a Dell device, you can check inside Device Manager to see if you have a yellow exclamation mark in the device manager next to the Intel Innovation Platform Framework Processor Participant Driver. So this is everything that we know so far and everything that we can do. The best thing to do now is wait. So just go and pick a date and pause your updates for a while until this issue is officially fixed by Microsoft. And then after Microsoft is officially announcing that the issue has been cleared up and fixed, you can then resume your updates and install the latest updates. Unfortunately, yeah, I think there's no new Windows 11 25H2 update or Windows 11 update in general that doesn't come with any sort of issues for a specific hardware device or platform, but hopefully Microsoft is pretty fast in resolving these issues. Unfortunately, they weren't that fast in this case because, as you can see, the problem has been present for those Dell devices since the update from June 23rd, so it's been almost a month until Microsoft has acknowledged this issue. Hopefully they will fix it, and hopefully we will no longer get issues like this in the near future. More information about everything that we've talked about in this video will be in the article below in the video's description or on the official Microsoft blog post if you want to check that out. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Zumadi from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.